Brothers, Meta just announced a piece of news. It is about to release its next generation AI model. Then the AI sector may welcome another heavy catalyst. If Meta performs very strongly with this new model, then the related industrial chain may be directly ignited. If you didn't pay attention to this news, then you are very likely to miss the next wave of collective surge in AI tech stocks. So today we will talk about one company that directly benefits from Meta's announced AI model, which is Arm Limited. Many brothers may be relatively unfamiliar with it. Let me briefly introduce. Arm Limited is the global leading semiconductor IP licensing company. It mainly engages in CPU, GPU, and AI processor architecture design and licensing. It is the core foundational technology supplier for AI chips, smart devices, and data center processors. Its full year revenue for 25 years is $4.2 billion, up 28% from 2024.
Among them, the fastest growing is the AI and data center related IP licensing business. Mainly coming from AI chip architecture licensing, demand is very strong. Full year net profit reached $1.3 billion. Net profit margin reached 30%. So its earning ability is very strong. If Meta's new model catalyzes the market, then this company will directly benefit. It may directly drive growth in its performance. At the same time, we can also look at this company's latest market cap is $158 billion. Full year revenue increased year over year by about 30%. Net profit maintained at around 30%. The earnings report is very beautiful. Cash flow is also very abundant. Once this important news lands, which companies are directly benefiting, we need to be very clear and positioned in advance. Although Arm Limited stock is a bit expensive now, but its own business performance is very strong, and in the next 2 to 3 years, the AI licensing business is also in strong demand. So this company directly benefits. I am very bullish on its growth room. At the same time, our AI quantitative model has also monitored that, for example, State Street Corporation, Fidelity Investment are all heavily holding this company's stock. We can follow the institution's footsteps and position this company's stock during pullbacks. Institutions are also buying while the stock price pulls back. Its options data, short-term call options are mainly concentrated at this position near $140. At this position, you can clearly see many orders will be placed here. The hanging orders constitute price rebound support. Pulling back to near $140 can be a long position. This is what we monitored through the institutions. At the same time, its put option selling pressure is near $160. Shorting this is to prevent some black swan risk. For example, in case Meta's model performs poorly, it will also be affected by some short-term market moves and see a price pullback. Institutions will also carry out some short-term short operations. Then we just follow the institutions and short retail investors. If you want to make money, you definitely follow the institutions